Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD Draft tools tutorials, how to use ShapeString tools. Click on a 2D draft, and to use the ShapeString, you can click these icons, shape from text, and you can set for the font files. So I will use the font file from Windows. You can go to local disk, say, and Windows, the next font. So as example, I will use this Arial as font. Click open. The next you can set for the string for the text. I will set into FreeCAD, and we use default height. For the location, you can click on drawing area, and then you can click OK to insert the shape string. Okay, we have this text. And if you want to convert this text into 3D, you can go to the part tools and then click the extrude tools to convert to 3D. Okay, we use for extrusion 10 and click apply to extrude the text object. Okay, that's it for a basic FreeCAD draft tools. How to use ShapeString command. If you have any question, you can comment below this video.